everyone, my name is Kristin Hayes. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to be making this pretty green and gold metallic Christmas card, and this is really a pretty quick and easy card today. So let's get started. I have a piece of just jade. This is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I did score it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of this beautiful Expressions in ink paper. This is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. And let me just show you the other papers in here because this is really, really pretty. This is in the annual catalog, and it was out of stock for quite a while when it first came out, but I did check this morning and it looks like it is in stock right now. So you've got just these gorgeous colors with the gold accent on one side and then no gold on the other side. This is the piece we're using today. And that's the other side of it, this gorgeous pink. I just love this. Has some of that, I don't even know what to call it, the splotches, the cloudiness, I don't know, but it's just so pretty. And then you've got some, this would go really pretty with our peach, Sweet as a Peach stamp set too, I think. So anyways, you get the point. I love it. It's pretty. So then what we're using are the dies from the Christmas tree dies, and I already have these pieces out that we're going to use, this bigger tree and then these two little trees right here. But it has all kinds of other trees in it. Those dimensional backings get everywhere. All right, and then a few pieces here. This coordinates, this comes as a bundle, with the Whimsical Trees stamp set. We are not using this stamp set today, but I just wanted to show it to you so you could see that it does come in a bundle. So let's get started with our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Now, you can see there's lots of little trees in this card, and I already cut the majority of them out, but we will do some together. So I just thought that would be better than just having you watch me use the die cut machine over and over. Alrighty, so we're gonna lift that up, and then we're going to do this bigger tree in the brushed metallic, which is in the holiday catalog. And then we're going to do two trees in the just jade. Like that. And then we'll swing it through. Okay, some days. All right, so let's just take this off here. And we've got this tree here. Now, if you wanted to leave this tree with the pieces in it, I've seen some people do that, and it's also very pretty. We had this debate in one of my classes recently with the leaves that have the cutouts, and it's just as pretty to leave them in as it is to take them out. So it's just totally your preference on your project that you're working on. So let's just get this last tree up here. And then we're going to stamp our sentiment. Now our sentiment is going to be on a piece of basic white, and if I can grab it. And this is cut at 4 inches by 7/8 of an inch. We are using the Merry Christmas out of the Heartfelt Wishes set. I just think these fonts are gorgeous in here. So we're going to stamp the Merry Christmas in Evening Evergreen. I'm just going to ink this up. And then we'll just line it up in about in the middle here. Give it a good press, and there we go. Alrighty, so let me just put that aside because we're going to put that on last, and I'll show you how I put it on to deal with the, to pop it up a little bit and still deal with all these little pieces coming down. So I'm going to actually adhere this onto the base and then start putting on our trees. So I went ahead and I you need 2 trees in Just Jade, which we did, and then 2 in the Brush Metallic, 2 in Basic White, and 2 in Evening Evergreen. And I already put glue dots on these just to speed up the process a little bit. So we'll put some glue dots if I can find what I did with them. Here they are. All right, so we're going to put some glue dots. They switched how these go on here, and I feel like it's backwards, but we'll work with it. All right, so we'll start with this Just Jade tree, and I just want to hold this in the middle here. Let me push that back, just to see about where I should start, and that looks about right. And you can put them any way you want them to go, but this is just how I did it. So I already have glue dots on the backs of these, so I'm just going to keep assembling and pushing. And the reason why I use glue dots is because I didn't want them flat stuck to the paper, but I didn't really want them, you know, as up far with the dimensional either. Let's see, we'll put this one here. Just because I wanted the gold tree in the middle on a dimensional. And then we need another Evening Evergreen here. We'll put that one right here. And then we'll work on the other side. So again, I'm just going to hold this up. Whoops. Just to see where to start putting these trees. We'll do the white about here, and they can go up or down wherever you would like them. We've got our gold, we'll do right about here. And then I need one more glue dot for this last Just Jade that we cut out. And we'll put this one over here like that. Okay, so I am going to poke out the middle pieces on this tree, but like I said, if you prefer to leave them in, that looks pretty too. Oops. All right, we just have 2 more pieces here. All right, so this I'm going to pop up on glue dots, and I am going to use my mini glue dots, and I'm just going to put them in all the spaces that they'll fit in. Let's see, right here, right here. And then right here, that's, well, maybe I can fit one more there. Let's see. Yep, it will work. And then up at the top here, I'm going to squeeze in half of a mini dimensional. I have some cut in half. And see if I can fit that in. Let's see. Maybe if I do it this way. Just so the top of the tree isn't really flopping around. Alrighty. We shall take off the backs. And one more. Okay, and I'm just going to pop this up right about here in with our other trees. Now for the Merry Christmas, I want to pop this up on dimensionals as well, but you can see that the tree stems, no, they're not, tree trunks, are all going to be hidden, just the ends of them just a little bit. So what I did is I took the edge of the dimensionals and I put this, you could use minis for this too, but I thought this would be a nice long piece. So if my Merry Christmas is up there, I'm going to put it down here to anchor it. And then I'm going to use mini dimensionals in the corners. so I'm missing any of those tree trunks. Just so that way it'll be flat and not uneven. All right, so then I'm just going to stick this right about here. And that is all there is to it. So quick and easy card today. Here's the one we made. And here is our original. And thank you so much for watching. All of my social links will be listed down below. Thanks so much.